Welcome back everyone, I'm the Architecture Insider and today we're going to go over some Digimap alternatives. Now before we get into the video, I just want to say that this is the video where I will announce the winner for the video when I said that I was going to give a giveaway for someone's portfolio. So the winner is Azim Khan. Now I did it very fairly, I put all of the names in a wheel and I played it, and Azim Khan, you're the winner. So I have commented on your comment before. If you haven't seen it and you're watching this video, please email me. All my details are in the description. So the sooner you get back to me, the sooner I can help you and get this sorted. Now, further ado, let's get into the video. Now, we all know that Digimap can give you very good detailed drawings. However, it can't give you anything other than the UK, and you can see a little bit of France, but so basically it's just only in the UK. Now, I get a lot of comments saying that, oh, what are the alternatives, where can you get the plans from different countries and everything. Now it's amazing that Digimap does it for the UK, but it would have been great if they do that from the whole world. Now, so in this video I will give you 3 alternatives for Digimap. The first one is Cutemup. Now, I've talked about this website before in my best sites for architects, so if you haven't watched that you could go back there, and that has a bit more detail on how to use it. Now, long story short, what you can do is you can get exact CAD plans like from Digimap. You can put them into AutoCAD, SketchUp, Rhino, Illustrator, Revit, and literally everything. And you can download different file options and file sizes, and you can change the detail of the amount of plans. You can also add 3D buildings, and it gives you the contours of the side plan and of the actual plan, which is amazing. So you can see it has over 200 cities of the whole world, which is amazing, and they are very, very good. So you have to sign in, which is really easy. Just add your email and some details and you're ready to go. I went to an area, New York, and just found any area next to Central Park because that's the only area I actually know. And then I clicked on AutoCAD, so you can see that you've got Rhino, SketchUp, you've got Illustrator, and you've got all the different kind of versions. Now you've got the contour topography now. The lowest number is 4, so you can change it to be higher, but I recommend it to keep it as 4. So after a few seconds, when it fully loads, you can see what your download will include, and then you just go ahead and you download it. Once you open the file, your AutoCAD will open up, and you get something like this. Now you've got these different layers of the grids and the contours, which are you can just select on them and then turn them off. And then again, you've got all of these lines of the buildings and everything, which is extremely useful. You could just take it straight into Photoshop and add your diagrams to it, which is great. The second website is called Urban Observatory. Now this website is also great. It lets you compare 3 different maps all together. Now so when you open the website, this is what you get, and you just go to start and you just go to launch app. You don't actually have to download anything, so it's really good. And then when you open it up, you can see these 3 different maps. Now I know they look amazing already. So when you click on the left, you click on themes, and these are all of the different type of diagrams they do. Now what you could even do is use their diagrams. Obviously make sure to reference the website that you've used their diagrams, and you can do them of most cities. Now you can't get all of the diagram types for every single place in the whole world, so it is limited, but it has most places in the world. So it's in places in the UK, like small cities such as Wolverhampton and Birmingham, so those are very good. So you can change them to things like density, public open space, public realm. You've got things like public transport, open space, roads, popular growth, and there's many more. So these diagrams are ideal for urban diagrams, so that it shows all of the density and high density of the people growth and all of these kind of things, which is very useful. For some reason the site didn't work with me properly on it wouldn't show the third area for some reason. However, I did use it on a different machine and it did work, but for some reason my laptop couldn't acknowledge the third diagram for some reason. So you can see when you zoom in and zoom out, you've got all of the details of the different areas and the different kind of diagrams that they have. Now the third website is called MapAkkad. Now this website is amazing. You've got very detailed plans from all around the world. Now I know that you have to pay for these, but to be honest, for your university, if you want to get a good grade, what is $10, what is $15, what's $20? You know, we spend that much on portfolios, to be honest. So spending that much to get a very good detailed plan that will help you with your rest of your project, to do your diagrams, your site analysis, your site plan, it's nothing. So you've got this again for only the major cities. However, it covers a large area of these major cities, so I'm sure you can get some of your smaller cities too. You can see how it has places all around the world, which is amazing. And you've got all of the different tabs of the countries on the top, and you can also request a 3D drawing which has all of your 3D buildings with your site, which is very good. So these are the 3 major websites that I know about to get CAD plans. If you know any more and you want me to try out, please let me know in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Take care, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.